Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Alan PG2K5 from Everything on Everything, and today we will going to unbox another basketball performer shoe, and this is your Lebron 16 Low. Kung di ka pa subscribe sa channel natin, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. At the same time, if you enjoy watching this video, please leave a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing, guys. Okay guys, this is your Lebron 16 Low. Okay, let's open it up. This is your Lebron 16 Lows, aka Draft Day, also known as Draft Day. Okay. So, lagyan natin dito yung isang pair. Okay guys. Ito ang Lebron 16 Low Draft Day. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. Pisa natin to sa box, guys. Sorry. Lebron 16 Low, size 9.5 US. Color code is white metallic gold. Style code is C12668 100. Okay, let's check the box. As you can see, meron siya ditong Lebron James na logo, which is semi-color nung box niya. Hindi mo masyado mapapansin, pero pagka tinapat mo siya sa light, saka mo siya makikita yung logo at yung mga writings niya, Lebron 16 dito sa side na to. Okay, dito yung signature ni Lebron sa front. Side, merong shoes dito at markings Lebron James. Let's go on to the box. Plain wax paper guys, wala kahit na anong print. Okay. Nothing much on the box. Okay. Okay guys, this is your Lebron 16 Low Draft Day. Okay, kung papansin nyo, napakalinis, a clean look. White basketball shoe with the red accent and gold. Punta tayo sa upper niya guys. Upper niya, I might say textile. Nangyari sa upper niya hanggang doon sa overlays. Textile or knit, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure textile ito. Okay. Then, kung papansin nyo, medyo unique yung lacing system niya, no? Going this side, tapos dito, from this side on the left and the right side, magkakasama siya, hindi siya nagpe-penetrate dito, left and right. No, naka-separate yung mga lacing niya from left and then the right. Okay. Then, premium leather dun sa heel counter. Okay. White laces with the red tip. Okay. Red sock liner kung papansin nyo. No? Punta natin yung insole guys. So, ang nakasulat dito sa loob is mayroong LBJ na logo at swoosh, and then hindi ko tinanggal yung isang sticker dun kasi wala lang, no. No, I believe there is number 1 on that side. Merong number 1 na nakasulat dun, which is overall pick, as you can remember, si Lebron James, overall number 1 pick noong 2003. Kung makikita rin natin dun sa right side ng shoe, makikita niyo yung insole niya, nakasulat dyan June 26, 2003, which is the day nung draft day. No, kaya nga sinabi itong shoes or the nickname itself is draft day. No, ito yung name ng shoe niya. Okay. By the way, shoe 3 cardboard, no? Simple cardboard. Okay, again guys, textile upper material until the overlays, no? Premium leather dun sa heel counter with the Nike Air branding with a gold accent. Okay, medial side is swoosh dito. Meron din dito sa may bandang toe box. Okay, clean look, a clean shoe and a clean look, and a low top version. Guys, punta natin yung midsole. Kung papansin nyo, yung midsole pylon midsole na sinasabi nila, no? Pero may napansin lang ako, no? Meron ditong TPU, which is yung plastic ang wrap around dun sa may bandang heel, no? Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose na ito. Ganun din, meron din siyang markings dito, pero ipakita na natin sa screen, ano? Nakasulat kasi dito established 1984, no? I-check ko kung ano ibig sabihin nito, no? At meron din siya dito nakasulat 88Z. Tingnan nyo kung papansin nyo siya. 88C 330 SFG OH. I believe guys, ito yung address or a code doon sa Cleveland. No, correct me if I'm wrong, ha, doon sa nakakaalam ng code na yun, please leave a comment down below, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, pero I believe yun yung code ng Ohio, sa Cleveland, no? Cleveland, Ohio, sa USA. Okay, as I've said, meron siyang plastic dito wrap around dun sa may bandang heel. Okay, pylon midsole, no? Then full length Air Max unit, no? Okay, doon naman tayo sa outsole guys. Kung mapapansin natin, yung outsole niya is icy blue translucent outsole, no? Napansin ko lang dito, no, medyo makapal yung outsole niya, as in pure rubber, no? Let's just suggest this pwede rin siya sa hard court or outdoor use, no? Kasi napansin ko nga medyo makapal yung outsole niya kung papansin nyo, unlike dun sa ibang mga basketball shoe na medyo may kanipisan yung mga outsole. So I believe pwede rin siya sa outdoor use, especially dun sa indoor, syempre, no? As I've said, translucent IC outsole, blue outsole. Mapapansin natin nandito yung Dunkman, no? Kung sa Jordan is Jumpman, kay Lebron is Dunkman, no? So, may LBJ rin din na logo. So, ayun yung outsole niya. Okay. So, I might say pwede rin siya sa outdoor use, ano? Dahil medyo makapal yung outsole with the hard rubber. So guys, ang fit nito is true to size, no? Pero I might say na medyo may kahirapan ng pagpasok ng paa dito, no? As you can see, I forgot to mention, one piece booty upper to, no guys? Mapapansin nyo, walang tang yan. So, isang piraso siya na upper material. Kailangan lang siyang i-break in para medyo lumuwag lang itong opening, no? Siguro doon sa first and second trial, medyo mahirapan kayo ipasok talaga yung paa dito. Pero once you break it in, siguro madali na siyang gamitin. Especially doon sa openings na ito, no? Medyo stretchable naman siya, kung papansin nyo. Stretchable siya. Siguro medyo mahirap lang talaga sa first use, no? True to size, kailangan lang siyang i-break in para medyo lumuwag lang yung upper. Guys, price range nito is $160. So, I believe nasa mga bandang 500 to 600 reals ito sa Saudi Arabia. At nirelease siya May 24, 2019. No, guys, maraming colorway itong Lebron Low, no? Lebron 16 Lows. At hindi lang basta-basta mga nickname niya, no? Meron pang tinatawag na, if I can remember, meron pang McDonald's, no? Yung colorway niya, which is yung red. So ito yung tinatawag nga na draft day. Kung maaalala nyo rin, during the draft day, si Lebron James naka pure white na suit, no? Kaya siguro dito rin kinuha yung nickname ng shoe na draft day. Okay, I forgot to mention din guys dito sa may tang, no, yung Lebron gold accent, no? Overall look guys, sa look I can say na napakalinis, napakaganda, no? Performance wise, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng sabihin kung gaano ba siya ganda gamitin sa court kasi hindi pa natin siya na break in. Pero I might say medyo makapit ito kasi makapal yung outsole. Herringbone by the way guys, outsole herringbone, full length herringbone din, no? Pure hard rubber. So, pwede natin siyang i-suggest sa outdoor use. So guys, that's much about it on our Lebron 16 Lows draft day. Tingnan natin yung right shoe. Okay. So, napakalinis niyan. Tingnan nyo. Pure white basketball shoe. Okay. Okay guys, that's much about it on our Lebron 16 Lows draft day. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and at the same time, if you enjoy watching this video, please leave a thumbs up. Once again, this is Alan PG2K5 from Everything on Everything, and I see you on the next video. Peace.